Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Modernista Ignite Bluetooth Boombox with X-Bass. This is basically a portable Bluetooth speaker. It has a lot of features as mentioned here. There are also some more details mentioned at the back. This particular device supports USB connection, Wi-Fi, SD card connection, SD card connectivity, 3.5mm connectivity. It has LED screens for display. It also supports true wireless connection and Bluetooth as well. So that's all the information on this box. Let's just open it and show you what the Boombox looks like. This is it. This is what you find inside the box. We have a user manual for this particular device, this particular Boombox. You should read it at least once. In this packet there are a couple of elements. Let's quickly take a look. So we have two sets of cables. One is a micro USB charging cable for this particular speaker. You can see there's a micro USB charging cable. There you go. And we also have a 3.5mm aux line right over here. Furthermore, we also have a remote control for controlling this particular Boombox. This is a nice addition as well. Now let's take a look at this particular Boombox. It comes with this handle, so it's very easy to carry it around. It looks very heavy and chunky, but it's not. It's actually quite lightweight. It barely weighs a kilo. Lot of inline buttons over here. There is a mode button, mute button, equalizer button, then there are volume buttons, and there's FM and auto scan buttons as well. Notice the Modernista logo at the front and two massive speakers on each side. Okay, what else do we have? This has a uniquely rugged design. There are two pretty big anti-skid stops underneath. It's very rugged. This is not going to break anytime soon. This looks tough. It's made out of this is made out of lightweight but composite material, making it super tough and super lightweight as well. There are some ports at the back as well. There is this is your micro USB charging port. There you go. There's your on-off button. There's a TF card slot, an aux port slot, and a USB-A slot as well. Also notice that this is where your LED display will come in. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Modernista Ignite Bluetooth Boombox with X-Bass. Thank you for watching.